I've been through a lot of tornadoes, F4s, F5s, you know, and
Really?
they're damaging, but to see that much devastation
Everywhere.
that wide, that big, you know, I mean, it was insane.
Yeah, it's nuts. The craziest I've seen was the Iowa Derecho.
Okay, yep.
I worked that. I was in Cedar Rapids, and just every single cedar tree was gone.
Yep, that actually came up through northern Wisconsin, up through Hayward. We actually, where I personally lived, we experienced it, and literally it was like Paul Bunyan walked through with a weed whip. It was, yeah, I've never seen anything like it.